Hi everyone, it's Catherine from Just Fabrics here, and today I'm going to show you how to make a fabric corner bookmark. It's a really easy and simple make, and it's a great little accessory for all you reading lovers. You will need interfacing, a ruler, pins, scissors and some fabric. Cut 2 5 by 5 inch squares of your main fabric and 1 of your other fabric. Cut 2 5 by 5 inch squares of your interfacing. Fold 1 square of interfacing in half and cut in half to make 2 triangles. Now place your piece of fabric which you've only cut 1 square of face side down. Using one of the triangles you have cut, glue side down, line up to the edge. And now we just need to iron that in place. Now we just need to fold that over and line up the edges, and we just need to press that in place. Now take one of your main bits of fabric which you've cut 2 of and put that face down. Get one of your squares of interfacing and place that glue side down, and you just need to iron that again. Now place your piece of interfaced main fabric face side up. Then get your triangle and line it up with the square. And now get your piece of the other main fabric and put that face side down on top of the triangle. So you've got 3 layers. You now need to pin these together. Keep in mind that you need to keep a gap when you're pinning, because this is when you're going to pull the fabric back through. So now we just need to sew this together on a sewing machine. You can also hand sew this, but it's a quicker way to use a sewing machine. And now we just need to cut the corners just so that they will create a better point. So just cut them like that, as close as you can to the sewing, obviously without going through the sewing. Now using your bit that you didn't sew up, you need to pull the fabric through the right way. As you can see, the bit that has the hole is quite messy, so you just need to tuck that in, because now we're going to do an overstitch across the whole thing, which will then sew this part up. And also you can give it one final press with the iron. And now you're ready to start using your bookmark. I hope you enjoyed that step-by-step guide on how to make a fabric corner bookmark. Check out lots more how-to guides on our website.